Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is about taking the cars to the track. We want to give a shout out to Ralphs Däck. He's an awesome guy that's been helping us with wheels and tires for many years. Give him a call, say hi from the guys from Dream Wrench Drive. Now let's get to it.
Jag ser att du har en ny maskin. Vad är som speciellt med den här liksom?
Det som är bra med den är att allting är luftstyrt när det gäller vridplattor och hela den biten. Plus att den är nedsänkt i golvet så att vi får in väldigt låga bilar.
Ja.
Vilket är väldigt bra. Alla bilar som finns egentligen på marknaden finns med i systemet. Du behöver inte låsa ratten till exempel när du ska ställa in så att allt blir perfekt. Alla värden och allt finns. Porsche är byggd för att åka liksom på bana och hela den biten, så att de inställningar som finns hade jag kört på.
Here you can see we are doing wheel alignment on the GT3. We put it in stock setting, which was way too lame for the track, so now we need to do some adjustment to that. So a bit more camber in the front and the rear, most likely a small toe out in the front as well, but we will see that next time when we go to Ralph. My brand new second-hand wheels didn't fit, because they had been resprayed, and they had actually painted into the center where the wheel nut is actually sitting. So the wheel nut didn't sit properly, and we couldn't get them on, so I had to buy new ones. Damn. The car that we are working on today is a Honda Civic Type R. It's an FK2 from 2015. We are actually going with the EBC brakes. This is the blue stuff brakes. More suitable for longer races, but I think that will be doable for this car. Just to be clear, we were putting on these blue stuff brake from EBC. It ended up that they were gone after 1 hour of active driving. They are more suitable for daily driving, more active driving on standard roads. What actually happened is that we bought new brakes and we ended up with Pagid and also endless brakes. So now we are running the endless in the front and they are performing awesomely and don't burn up as quickly as the blue stuff ones. We will do some oil service. We got oil from Valvoline OW20. And the main purpose for this car is that we can bring our kids to the racetrack. So it will be a family thing. Will not be driven that much. But now we will drop the protective plastics, and then we will connect or get to the drain plug for the oil. Somewhat okay. So this is the front brake pads. Like always, I have already dismantled the brake pads that is there, but I haven't checked if I have the right thing. So this is going to be interesting. They look pretty much the same, so let's see if they fit. This is definitely the right pad, and now I need to compress the pistons before I can get the other brake pad in. It's a perfect fit, so this is the right thing. Welcome back to the channel. Today we will do a track day. We have brought 3 cars. So we have the 968 with the LS. We have my GT3, and we have my wife's Honda Civic Type R. So this is the family commute that you can utilize on track. This is my toy and this is Marcus' toy. So you will see some laps today. We are at Falkenberg Motorbana. It's one of the fastest tracks we have here in Sweden. It's 1.8 kilometers. It's where I started doing track days, and I really like it, and still enjoy coming here. And if you go to Sweden and try out some track days, I highly recommend that you try out Falkenberg.
Second session today is done. The car seems to be working fairly fine. So a lot of pressure on left front tire, but seems to be working good.
now the day is finished. It's been an awesome day. The weather has been perfect. A really sad conclusion for my part is that I drive slower in the GT3 than the Honda Civic. So now I need to change the GT3 to a Honda. Or how many Hondas can I get for the GT3? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Cheers.
Next up on Dream Ranch Drive is the project car, the GT4 RS. Marcus's RS dream come to life. We may or may not have some small issues that needs to be taken care of, but please stay tuned and watch what we are doing with the GT4.